punch needle tool set. Create an easy, unique, and beautiful embroidery design simply with the Sew-Mate punch needle tool set, which contains 3 punch needles from large, medium to small for creating 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional embroidery. The ergonomically designed TPR handle makes it comfortable to operate. Sew-Mate punch needle is easy to learn how to use, and once you start embroidery, it's impossible to stop. Select the needle size and the thread you need. Large needle is for threads of 6 strands or ribbon. The medium needle is for threads of 3 to 6 strands, and the small needle is for the thread of a single strand to 3 strands. Adjust the needle to the desired loop length, and you're ready for embroidery. Insert the long threader into the punch needle from the needle point through to the opposite end of the punch needle, and insert the thread or yarn into the threader loop, and pull back the threader back out of the needle. Insert the short threader from the eye needle through the needle back, and insert the thread or yarn, and pull the threader back out of the needle eye. Reserve a small portion of thread or yarn to start the embroidery. Let us start with a straight line stitching. Let us try the leaf. This time, let us try the reverse side of the fabric. See, this is the 3-dimensional flower we just stitched. The front side and the back side of the fabric have a different look on this flower. Add a ribbon to enrich your design. Cut the end of the loop to make the stitch bloom and create your 3-dimensional design.